Pressure washing your house might be the worst thing you can do to it, and most people have no idea why. Most amateurs think more pressure equals better clean. And that is exactly where things go wrong. Pressure forces water behind siding, leaves streaks, and can permanently damage surfaces. Soft washing uses proper solutions to break down mold, algae, and buildup without damaging your home. This is the difference. One removes the problem. The other just blasts the surface. Most people and a lot of contractors don't understand the difference. They rely on pressure because it's fast, not because it's right. This is how it should look when it's done properly. If you want your home cleaned properly without damage, we handle it start to finish.